So you'll look good if you're always eating protein because your body is, I got plenty of energy. Let's go for it. Let's grow.
Dr. David Sinclair is an Australian-American biologist and academic known for his research and controversial claims on aging and epigenetics. He continues to defy the passage of time with plant-based diet. Born in Australia in 1969, Dr. David Sinclair is now 55 years old and has become a revered figure in the world of science and wellness. Dr. Sinclair has dedicated his life to understanding the mechanisms that cause aging and how to potentially slow or reverse the process. He has become a well-known figure in the field thanks to his discovery of the role of sirtuins, a protein family associated with aging and cellular health. Currently, he is a professor at Harvard Medical School, where he directs a research lab dedicated to uncovering the secrets of aging. In this video, we'll explore David Sinclair's anti-aging strategies, his dietary choices, and his age-defying supplements that keep him at the forefront of the conversation on aging and health. Number 1. Dr. David Sinclair on coconut oil pulling. Dr. David Sinclair starts his morning with a unique health habit, coconut oil pulling. Every day, he rinses his mouth with coconut oil, a practice that dates back to ancient Ayurvedic medicine. He says, "I'll start by rinsing my mouth with coconut oil, pulling it. That improves my mouth microbiome." Coconut oil pulling involves swishing a tablespoon of oil in your mouth for about 10 to 20 minutes. This simple routine helps reduce harmful bacteria, freshen breath, and improve gum health. Number 2. His diet. Dr. David Sinclair is very mindful about what he eats, believing that diet plays a crucial role in longevity and overall health. His diet focuses on plant-based foods, healthy fats, and intermittent fasting. Dr. David Sinclair starts his day with a series of health-boosting beverages that align with his focus on longevity and overall well-being. Hot water with lemon. One of the first things he consumes is hot water with lemon. "I have hot water with lemon," he says. This simple drink offers several benefits. Lemons are a vitamin C powerhouse, which helps boost the immune system. The antioxidants in lemon can contribute to clearer, healthier skin. It also aids in digestion and helps flush out toxins from the body. Dr. David Sinclair's nutrient-rich yogurt mix. Dr. David Sinclair's homemade yogurt is a health powerhouse, thoughtfully crafted with a blend of select ingredients aimed at promoting longevity and well-being. Here's a breakdown of what goes into his yogurt mix. Resveratrol. Known for its potential health benefits, resveratrol is found in red wine and various fruits. It aligns with Dr. Sinclair's mission to reverse aging by protecting cells from damage and promoting cellular health. Olive oil. Renowned for its heart-healthy properties, olive oil is a vital component of his yogurt mix. It provides healthy fats that support cardiovascular health and reduce inflammation. Probiotics. Essential for gut health, probiotics are included in the yogurt mix to promote a balanced microbiome, aiding digestion and enhancing immune function. NMN supplements. Nicotinamide mononucleotide supplements are celebrated for their potential anti-aging attributes. NMN is a precursor to NAD+, a molecule that plays a crucial role in energy metabolism and cellular repair, which is Dr. Sinclair believes is key to extending lifespan and maintaining vitality. He avoids sugar and carbohydrates.
Well, the big killer is sugar.
Yeah.
Glucose, particularly fructose, is also pernicious. And if you give animals lots of glucose, and especially fructose, they will get fatty liver disease, they'll get diabetes. It's really bad.
And this one is like absolutely not controversial.
Dr. David Sinclair's approach to diet emphasizes plant-based foods while minimizing the intake of sugar, pasta, and other starchy foods. Excessive sugar consumption has been linked to various health issues, including weight gain, increased risk of chronic diseases. Sugar promotes the growth of harmful bacteria in the mouth, leading to tooth decay and cavities. Sugar can trigger inflammation in the body, which is linked to a range of health problems, including arthritis and autoimmune diseases.
First thing I cut out was a lot of carbohydrates. I used to eat bread every day. I would just if I ate something, it would be on toast. Okay, that's my life. I cut that out and have found immediate improvements in my biochemistry levels, particularly my glucose levels.
While carbohydrates are an important source of energy, excessive consumption of pasta and starchy foods can have negative effects. Foods high in refined carbohydrates like pasta and white bread cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, followed by crashes, leading to feelings of fatigue and hunger. Diets high in refined carbohydrates have been linked to an increased risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and metabolic syndrome. Number 3. 3 foods he eats to reverse aging. Dr. David Sinclair incorporates a variety of fruits into his diet, focusing on those with potential anti-aging properties. Among his favorites are avocados, cantaloupe, and berries. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, essential nutrients like potassium and vitamin E, and antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which support heart health, nourish the skin, and protect the eyes from age-related conditions. Cantaloupe, with its high vitamin C content, promotes immune function, hydrates the body, supports digestion with its fiber content, and contributes to eye health through its beta-carotene content. Berries, including strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, are loaded with antioxidants like anthocyanins and flavonoids known to combat free radicals, enhance brain function, support heart health, and help regulate blood sugar levels. By including these fruits in his diet, Dr. Sinclair not only enjoys their delicious flavors, but also harnesses their nutritional benefits to support his body's defenses against aging and promote overall health and vitality. Number 4. 5 supplements he takes to maintain his good health.
The basic ones are resveratrol, quercetin, physetin, these polyphenols. I have that in the morning. I have NMN, which is an NAD booster. NAD is important for boosting our body's natural defenses against aging as well. We've studied all of these molecules in my lab, discovered them.
In the morning, Dr. David Sinclair supplements his diet with a carefully curated selection of nutrients aimed at supporting his overall health and vitality. Among his morning supplements are Athletic Greens AG1, which provides a comprehensive blend of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to support immune function and energy levels. He also includes nicotinamide and mononucleotide, NMN, a compound believed to boost cellular energy production and promote longevity. A potent antioxidant found in red wine and certain fruits is another key supplement in Dr. Sinclair's regimen, known for its potential anti-aging properties and support for cardiovascular health. Number 5. Intermittent fasting.
You want to have at least 16 hours of not eating or not eating very much. And then you can have 8 hours. So typically that means having a late lunch if you skip breakfast, or if you prefer to skip dinner.
Dr. David Sinclair follows a fasting routine called 16-8 intermittent fasting, which he believes is incredibly beneficial for health. He emphasizes that it's not just about when you eat, but also about the time you spend not eating. This fasting helps the body's defenses against aging, promoting longer and healthier lives. He says, I think 3 meals a day plus snacks is too much. It puts the body in a state of abundance, which turns off our longevity genes. So you want to have a period of fasting each day starting as early as your 20s. Dr. David Sinclair recommends 3 types of intermittent fasting, each catering to individual preferences and needs. Firstly, he suggests extended fasting, where longer periods without food can deeply cleanse the body and activate autophagy, a process that repairs and rejuvenates cells. This becomes particularly effective after 3 days when metabolism switches into chaperone-mediated autophagy, providing a thorough cleanse. Secondly, he advocates for time-restricted feeding, urging at least 16 hours of fasting or minimal eating. This might involve skipping breakfast and having a late lunch or skipping dinner instead. Lastly, Dr. Sinclair highlights the fasting mimicking diet, which has shown benefits for cancer patients undergoing chemotherapy. These fasting methods can be tailored to suit individual lifestyles, tolerance levels, and even gut health, offering flexible options for enhancing health and longevity. By incorporating nutrient-rich foods, intermittent fasting, and targeted supplements into daily routines, you can help your body in maintaining vitality and well-being for years to come.